It's fun. So
Sorry.
if he's looking at you, just run down and then he'll chase after you. He's looking.
When they run, he eventually runs with them back and forth.
He's tired.
Oh. Go!
Warm out. Warm out.
He's walking.
Get ready.
Come on.
Run back.
Go.
Hey.
He's watching. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes.
Go! Go!
Oh my God, you're so playful.
I don't know.
Those claws.
Go! Go!
Easy, easy, easy in the glass, okay? Come on, little guy.
Come on, look at us!
Come on. Yeah, isn't this thing cool?
Go!
Warm out. Oh, come on. One more time. Come here.
Go! He's not coming, Mom.
He's out of breath. I think he's tired.
Maybe you tired him out.
Tired. Here, let's see what's in the other things, and we'll come back. Let's let him have a rest. Look, he's yawning. He's tired.
After we go to